In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Discord server. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting a server is permanent. When you remove a server, all channels, messages, roles, and settings tied to it are gone for good. Make sure this is exactly what you want to do and that you're working on the correct server. Start by opening Discord and go to the server you want to remove. At the very top left of the server's window, you'll see the server name. Click that name. This is your hub for server-specific options and is the quickest way to reach everything you need to manage the server. If you're in a lot of servers, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right one by glancing at the icon on the left sidebar and the name at the top of the channel list. After clicking the server name, a menu appears. From this menu, select Server Settings. This opens the full control panel for the server where you can manage channels, roles, moderation, and other features. You're in the right place when you see a new window or page with a left-hand sidebar filled with categories. Now, on that left pane, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll find the option labeled Delete Server. It usually appears in a section with more serious or irreversible actions and may be highlighted to draw attention. Click Delete Server. Don't worry, Discord won't delete anything just yet. This step simply brings up the final confirmation prompt. To confirm the deletion, Discord asks you to type the server name exactly as it appears. Go ahead and enter the server name, paying attention to capitalization and spacing. This step ensures that the correct server is being removed and that the action is intentional. Once you've typed the name correctly, the Confirm button becomes active. Click to proceed, and the server will be permanently deleted. That's all there is to it. To recap, click the server name at the top left, choose Server Settings, scroll to the bottom of the sidebar and select Delete Server, then type the server name to confirm. Take your time with the confirmation and double-check the spelling so you're completely sure. After the server is deleted, it will disappear from your server list and won't be accessible to anyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, follow these same steps anytime you need to permanently remove a server you manage.